Meet Mr. Jatin Pratap Singh Ji, a lifestyle and travel creator, YouTuber, international badminton champion, Taekwondo state champion, and a proud recipient of the Prime Minister's Award. He judged Mr. and Mrs. India events and many more judgments. With over 1.6 million followers, Jatin Ji has carved his space in the digital world through hard work and authentic, relatable content. Jatin Ji is just not a creator, he is a movement redefining how social media connects and inspires. From serving as a youth ambassador at the Restaurant Cricket League 2025 to mentoring rising stars on the Indian Icon series, Jatin Ji wears many hats with ease and impact, celebrating his journey of spreading positivity adventure through his compelling stories. We appreciate his valuable presence at the Dhanveer Dayananda Yogi Ji Jayanti celebrations.
नमस्कार एवरीवन, जय श्री राम। गुरुजी को हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं आपके बर्थडे की। एंड सेकेंडली, मैं जब भी साउथ इंडिया आता हूँ ना, कुछ अलग ही देखने के लिए मिलता है। लास्ट टाइम मैं जब तिरुपति था तो मैं आईआईटी में शो कर रहा था, वहां पर भी कुछ अलग ही वाइब है, क्योंकि हम नॉर्थ इंडियंस के लिए ना साउथ इंडिया थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट लगता है हमें। बट जब मैं यहाँ आता हूँ ना, मुझे बहुत प्यार मिलता है। और क्यों नहीं मिले, यहाँ के लोग इतने अच्छे हैं कि इतने हेल्पफुल लोग कि मेरे मतलब कुछ ऐसे सीन्स मेरे साथ भी हुए हैं कि मुझे नहीं लग रहा था कि हाँ ये चीज हम कर पाएंगे सॉर्ट, बट यहाँ के लोग बहुत अच्छे हैं और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। मतलब वक्त भी क्या चीज है ना, कि एक वक्त था कि जब जेब में पैसा नहीं, जब कुछ भी नहीं था, ना पता था कि आगे क्या होना है। बट जिंदगी जो रुख मोड़ती है ना, वो तो सिर्फ ऊपर वाले की तकदीर है कि वो जो चाहे जैसा चाहे वैसा कर सकते हैं। आज मैं बहुत ज्यादा ब्लेस्ड फील कर रहा हूं कि मैं यहां पर हूं, गुरुजी ने मुझे बुलाया। इससे अच्छी बात क्या ही हो सकती है। और मैं बस क्या बोलूं कि साउथ इंडिया, मैं हमेशा एक चीज बोलता हूं, साउथ इंडिया पूरा इंडिया हिला देगा। जब मैं लास्ट टाइम भी था तो भी मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें मुझे फील हुई थी कि यहाँ पर ना लोग ह्यूमैनिटी बहुत अच्छे निभाते हैं, जो मेरे को बहुत कम जगहों पे देखने को मिलती है। और यहाँ का जो कल्चर है ना, मेरे को बहुत मजा आता है। मतलब यहाँ की कुछ चीजें जो मुझे बहुत डिलीशियस लगती हैं, लाइक फिल्टर कॉफी, मुझे नहीं पता, मैंने पी तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा। तो बहुत मतलब मैं क्या बोलूँ, मैं इतना ज्यादा अच्छा फील कर रहा हूँ ना कि ये जो भी चीज हो पा रही है और जो मैं आज यहाँ पर हूँ, सिर्फ और सिर्फ गुरुजी की वजह से। मैं बस इतना बोलूंगा, थैंक यू सो मच गुरुजी, आपने मुझे बुलाया एंड इट रियली मीन्स अ लॉट। थैंक यू सो मच।
So let's try to become present in the now moment. I want you to activate all your five senses: the sense of sight, the sense of sound, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, and the sense of touch.
What you witnessed was a glimpse of Ms. Sugantha Vartana at TEDx, a Yoga Alliance certified expert in Hatha Yoga, Aerial Yoga. She has dedicated over a decade to practicing yoga and also over 6 years in teaching yoga, pranayama and meditation, inspiring countless lives. Host of Yoga for Self-Love on Tata Play Fitness, Sugantha has touched millions and recently led the International Day of Yoga 2024 alongside with our Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji. She is a FICCI Wellbeing Panelist, a trained Kathak and Bharatanatyam dancer and a global HR leader at Signify. She truly embodies holistic wellness. May her journey of spreading yoga and well-being continue to grow, and we appreciate her valuable presence at Dhanveer Dayananda Yogi Ji Jayanti celebrations.
Namaste everyone. I am deeply honored and deeply humbled to have received a recognition here with the trust. I think yoga and wellness has played such a big role in my life, and just in few minutes I want to share how it has impacted my life and why it is important. So a very simple way to understand yoga and why it is required and how I understood it is that, you know, our life is very fast paced these days. When we are constantly hustling, constantly achieving, doing, reaching out for more and more, what happens is that we are honoring the Shakti within us. The Shakti is what creates, right? Shakti, energy within us, is what makes the world go round. It is what helps us express ourselves, create new things, and build this world, this beautiful world that we have all created by hustling all of us together, right? But why are we, despite achieving so much, why are we still not calm, not joyful? Why is there a little lack of gratitude within us? Why is that emptiness within us, if any of you also feel the same? And after years of hustling, I felt that emptiness within me. And then I understood that Shiva and Shakti are two energies that need to be in balance within each of us. And I'm not talking about religious deities, Shiva and Shakti. And it's not about gender. I'm talking about the energies, Shiva and Shakti, that exist within each one of us, irrespective of gender. So what I realized was that when we are constantly outward focused, constantly hustling, we are honoring the Shakti within us, but somewhere we are suppressing the Shiva within us. And Shiva is the inward focused energy. It's the calmness, the stillness within us. And that's where yoga comes in. Yoga helps us bring back that Shiva within us. Not in competition with Shakti, not to suppress Shakti, but to be in balance. And this balance, whenever is in your life, you will see how you are able to achieve more. So it's not about achieving less, doing less by suppressing Shakti and honoring Shiva only, but it's about balancing. And when you honor the Shiva within you, the stillness within you, through yoga, asanas, pranayam, dhyan, all of these things will help bring that stillness within you. When it is in balance, you will see that you will achieve even more. You will do even more, and you will create a better world. That's all that changed my life, and that I wanted to share with all of you today. I am deeply humbled to be here, and I think my journey aligns closely with the vision and purpose of this trust, and I am so thankful for having me here. Thank you.
Meet Ms. Sunaina Rekhi, a woman who turned a pain into power and a purpose into a global mission. A celebrated mind-body healer, yoga therapist, and an emotional wellness coach. Sunaina's journey began with her own healing. What started as a personal practice on the yoga mat led her to represent India at the United Nations headquarters in New York, becoming the first Indian woman to lead yoga there.
Hello. Namaste, everyone. First, let's just take a deep breath in. Everybody. We all breathing, right? Take a deep breath in. Ah. Are we shy? Yes. Let's go. Let's just do it. Take a deep breath in. Ah. Come on. Everybody's quiet here. I'm the only tigress here right now. Come on, let's try one more time. Deep breath in. Ha! And I think that's where healing starts to begin. I didn't join yoga. I didn't come to yoga to teach. I actually came to yoga to survive. I came to yoga because I had a lot of pain in my mind, in my body, in my emotions. And the moment I started doing the practice, things started shifting. I started realizing that everything that you feel is actually stored in your body. And I started feeling it with my experience. So when my dad passed away when I was 14, I started holding a lot of trauma, a lot of grief in my body. I had to figure everything out. I didn't realize that this had stuck. Then when I was getting a divorce, my whole spine broke. And that was because suddenly when you're married, your spine is your support structure. And suddenly when you have to figure out life on your own, the spine started giving way. Then with a daughter who's now 16, to handle her, you understand, right? Whoever is a parent, there's a lot of responsibility. And suddenly that started coming on my neck. And through trying to figure out all of this in my life, I realized that everything is not the missing, the grief, the trauma, is not in your heart or in your mind. It's in every single cell of your body. So when you move your body, that's when you really start to experience healing. Yoga is not about creating flexibility. What's the point? What's the point? Ki you put one leg behind your head. Who cares? Why are we doing it? It's actually creating freedom within you. So I would tell everybody who needs to heal to just start to move and also to create stillness. Just start to breathe and you will start to feel better. And I think this has really been a journey from pain to power and from power to purpose. To really feel that today, Dayanandji, thank you. You are such a beautiful man. Your energy is so beautiful when you entered. So thank you for having all these wonderful people. All of them are so wonderful. They've created so much. And I think just being on this stage shows that it's not about me at all. I'm just a vehicle. But it's really about that people are taking healing more seriously. And also trying every moment in their lives to feel better. Because when you feel better, it is such a big movement that gets created just through you feeling happy. So thank you. Thank you to all of you. And let's feel safe in our bodies again. And I think that's wellness. So I love you all. Thank you.
Meet Ms. Raikota ji, founder of Shakti Yoga and a leading expert in feminine and Kundalini Shakti Yoga, a powerful Bengali voice and a dynamic teacher. She is one of the most sought after yoga personalities in Tripura and Bengal, a national Yogasana champion and actress in acclaimed Northeast Indian films, and a passionate teacher with 7+ years of experience. Rai ji empowers through yoga, healing and self-discovery. She has led workshops across Asia and India, from KIT International School Bhubaneswar to Aditi Institution of Sports West Bengal. She has a global following of 1.8 million followers. In 2024, she received the Yoga Ratna Award at Ballari, Karnataka. Raikota's journey is one of grace, grit and growth, inspiring transformation through the power of yoga, and we appreciate her valuable presence at Dhanveer Dayananda Yogiji Jayanti celebration.
Vanakkam Chennai, Namaskar, Namaste, Namaste. So, myself Raikota, I am from West Bengal, Kolkata. And first of all, take my pranam, Dhanveer Dhyanananda Yogi Guruji and all Guruji's disciples. And I am feel blessed and honored to be invited here. And we all know that Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Param Deva. So without Guru, we are nothing. As a woman, we have Shakti energy within us. but we can get a Shiva energy from our gurus only. But Shiva है, हमारे अंदर है, लेकिन ऐसे कहाँ से हमें शिवा मिलेंगे? तो we only get the Shiva's energy from our gurus. So ऐसे मानते हैं हमारे बंगाल में कि माँ बाप से भी ऊपर है गुरु जी. गुरु आशीर्वाद के बिना कुछ नहीं होते. तो हम blessed है कि invited here today on his birthday. And one of the popular line is Yoga Chitta Vritti Nirodha. The meaning is you have to control your mind, your body and your pancha indriya. तो हम सिर्फ योगा से ही वो कर सकते हैं, कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं और बैलेंस कर सकते हैं. एंड बैलेंस के लिए हमें डेडिकेटेड करना है हमारे लाइफ को शिवा एंड शक्ति में. सो हम योग से ही वो कर सकते हैं. योग में आना है. यू हैव टू डू योगा एवरी डे एंड नॉट ओनली डूइंग, यू हैव टू लिव yoga constantly. And yes, nothing else to say. Love you Chennai and always Chennai. मेरे ऐसे होते हैं हार्ट के होते हैं कि ना कि बाया तरफ में चेन्नई और साउथ इंडिया रहते हैं, क्योंकि मैंने जब टीचिंग प्रोफेशन शुरू किए थे ना, तब जो भी सारे स्टूडेंट्स हैं they all are from only South India. All are from only South India. Most of the students from South India. So ऐसे मैं मानती हूँ अगर मेरा body born in Kolkata but मेरा soul is from South India. So ऐसे मैं blessed हूँ by South India. ये मेरा सबसे बोलना था. And thank you. और एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहती हूँ. नमः पार्वती पतये हर हर से महादेव 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 शिवा शिवा.
इतने एनर्जेटिक होकर काम करते हैं, लेकिन उसके पीछे क्या आपका सपोर्ट होता है?
मैं प्राणायाम रोज करता हूँ, ध्यान करने की भी कोशिश करता हूँ. कुल मिला के जो हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति, सोच, जीवन मूल्य है, परंपरा है, उसको जीने की कोशिश करता हूँ.
Meet Ms. Kritika Agarwal ji, a feminine yoga expert with a master's in yoga and on a great mission to spread healing through yoga. She has guided countless women online addressing their PCOD, infertility and obesity problems, helping them reclaim their health and balance naturally. On the 11th International Day of Yoga 2025, Kritika ji stood among the front runners leading impactful yoga sessions alongside with our Union Minister Sri Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Her work is more than practice. It's a movement toward feminine strength, inner wellness and empowered living. And we appreciate a valuable presence at the Dhanveer Dayananda Yogi Ji Jayanti celebrations.
मेरा नाम कृतिका है और मैं मेरठ यूपी से हूँ. एंड थैंक यू गुरुजी फॉर इनवाइटिंग मी. थैंक यू सो मच. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू साउथ इंडिया. जब भी मैं यहाँ पर आती हूँ ना तो मुझे इतना ज़्यादा अच्छा लगता है. आई फील ब्लेस्ड और यहाँ के लोग इतने ज़्यादा अच्छे, स्पिरिचुअल एंड पावरफुल लगते हैं मुझे कि उनके फेस पे हमेशा एक स्माइल रहती है. एंड माई मोटिव इज सेम, स्माइल. तो मैं जब भी योग सिखाती हूँ, जब भी मैंने अपनी स्टार्ट करी जर्नी, जब भी मैंने कभी वीडियो बनाई, कुछ भी स्टार्ट किया, आई स्टार्ट विद द स्माइल, क्योंकि सब लोग ना एक साथ कनेक्ट हो जाते हैं स्माइल के साथ. सो मुझे लगता है कि इससे अच्छा योग कोई हो नहीं सकता कि आपको देखकर किसी और के फेस पर स्माइल आ जाए. तो धीरे धीरे करके मैं ऐसे ही योग को प्रमोट करना चाहूँगी और ऐसे ही स्टार्ट करती हूँ, ऐसे ही हंसाती हूँ, खुश रहती हूँ और खुश रखती भी हूँ कि आप सब हमेशा खुश रहें, स्ट्रेस ना दें और ना लें. तो ऐसी अपनी जर्नी रखें. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू.